So yeah, I don't want to get too close. This just arrived from the US. I'm trying not to heave. Doesn't smell, it's just the thought. Oh, I can't do it. Okay. Think pleasant thoughts, Okay. So, this is truly disgusting. Sold as is, so it was dirt cheap. Probably wondering why the hell. Apart from liking challenges, the main reason is it's pet style keys. Some are missing, so, but the main thing is, you know, keys are missing, which means I can use this as spares. It's got a shift lock. That's the reason. Because pet style keys, that shift lock is out of place, isn't it? So I'm going to recover that shift lock, put it on that one, but oh god, I'm definitely not opening it down here. How the hell am I going to do this? Oh, this is filthy, absolutely filthy. I don't know how they couldn't have done a basic clean on it. Oh god. I hope this isn't making you ill. Okay, well this is the starting point. So I have no idea what the inside looks like. I'm not going to open it on my bench, even though my bench is messy, but at least it's not covered in dead insects. So I think I will put this in a bag and take it outside and dismantle it. I've taken all the keycaps off. A good disinfect. This is disgusting. So I'll give it a quick vacuum, and then I'll unscrew it and see what the motherboard's like. Okay, here we go. Ugh. Oh, lovely. Oh my god. Fixable. Definitely fixable. Ugh. Okay. Should be able to vacuum this. Oh, don't have to worry about static. Let's see. Okay. All the keycaps are washed. Case is washed. Didn't bother taking LED out. I just wanted, it was just so filthy. Much better. And this I've not pulled apart yet, I just washed it. It was disgusting. So now that it's a bit better, I'll properly dismantle it and continue. Okay, so this is the motherboard for my Shadow. Normally I'd pull the chips off, heat sinks, before I wash it, but this is just way too disgusting. So, I'm going to blast it. Taking a few more, now that it's a bit cleaner, taking a few more bits off. Look at that, around the regulator. So I'll give it another blast. Yeah, getting there. Now to give it a scrub. Clean here. Steaming up. This is the result of the first wash. Much better, much better. So what I'll do is I'll let this dry out. I'll take the socketed chips off. I'll get rid of the regulator, take these heat sinks off. Can't get the cartridge port cover off until I get the heatsink off. Get rid of the metal case around the video section. Probably desolder the sockets as well, and then I'll give it another wash, proper wash. No idea if it works. I certainly wasn't going to turn it on in the state it was in, but here's hoping. Here's hoping. I've actually decided to take the regulator off now and the heatsink, and I've taken the chips out. I just noticed the joystick port doesn't have 2 screws to hold it in. That's interesting. But yeah, so definitely well, I'll keep it. Who knows, it might work still. All these sockets are going to be replaced. Yeah, you can see, look, even that, there's still gunk under there. So I'll have to give it another proper wash once I can get this off as well. Getting there. Yeah, I only got it this morning, so made some progress. Okay, got that off. Ready for another wash. Look at that in there. Ugh. Ugh. Should I just take the... oh no, I'll wash them. I'll wash them, then I can take them off. See how they go. So here we go. Much improved. Much improved. Doesn't appear to be too much corrosion actually. Isn't too bad. So the next step will be I'm going to desolder the sockets, and I'll definitely pull the switch apart. It's looking a bit dodgy, isn't it? It's worth, I don't know if I can, I might as well take that off as well. Probably need to give it another clean as well, more of a scrub. Definitely need to sort those contacts out. And then see if it works. So it's an NTSC model, so 6560, so I should have a spare if I need. Yeah, let's see how I go. I think that will do for tonight. You can see this is the... I don't really need the keyboard, well, it's not complete anyway. And I've got a spare keyboard I can put in there, but you can see the case. That's so much better. And that's just a quick clean I did to, well, make it sanitary or hygienic. But yeah, new decals, so I'll take these off, put brand new decals on, get the LED off, and then I'll give it another scrub, another proper scrub tomorrow once the decals are off. So I've started on the board. I've taken the kernel off, I've taken the power switch and the... So I'll pull this apart, give it a clean, try and scrub up the metal, make it look decent. This one, ooh, I reckon source a new one. Just take it off this plastic holder here, and get a new joystick port. That's what I've done so far. So I'll take the sockets off and then give it yet another scrub tomorrow. looking too bad. This is, give that a scrub. See how that comes up. But it's looking 1,000 times better. This was just caked in dead insects. That is so much better. Even the top case. If you remember what it first looked like, absolutely disgusting. And where are they? I've got a box of spare pet style keys now. Almost a complete set. Main thing is I can replace the shift lock on that other keyboard and that'll be complete. And then this one I'll just put in this, I think this is a C64 keyboard actually. Just put this one in. I think this one's been cleaned. Yep. And then hopefully we'll have another VIC-20 return to life. But that's it all. That's what I'm doing for today. It's I'll do this rest tomorrow. Ciao for now.